Hello everyone, welcome to Atlassian Confluence training. So in this training, we will first understand what is Confluence, and then we'll proceed about understanding how to use Confluence effectively uh, within your organization. Or if you're part of a team, then how you can use it effectively to get the maximum out of it. So Confluence is a web-based team collaboration software developed by a Sydney-based organization known as Atlassian. So it's the same organization who has developed a lot of other team collaboration softwares, for example, Jira and other continuous integration tools. It is Confluence is very simple and powerful commercial wiki. So it's a wiki that allows the groups or departments to share information. So it seems very simple that it's a simple wiki, but it's designed in a such way that it it is very easy to use and very easy to edit and add content and share content in this commercial wiki. So a wiki is nothing but it's a website that lets people to add, edit or delete information quickly. So in a wiki, you can easily add the information, edit the information, delete the information and share the information very quickly. A wiki is a Hawaiian word which means fast or quick. So anything which is fast or quick is in Hawaiian is known as wiki. So since this Confluence software allows you to, since it's a web-based collaboration software, so it allows you to easily add, edit and share information. That's why it is a commercial wiki. Confluence comes with lots of social networking features and plugins which allows user to interact quickly and effectively. So it's not just a plain wiki with just a functionality to add, edit and delete, but it has lots and lots of social networking features as well as lots and lots of plugins available which you can install in the Confluence and get the maximum out of it. So some of the useful plugins for Confluence which are very commonly used across different organizations. So we'll cover some of them in this slide. So for example, Confluence Team Calendar. So Confluence Team Calendar is another is a add-on or a plugin from Confluence from Atlassian itself, which allows you or your manager to manage the team leaves. If some team member is going on leave, you can manage the team leaves there. You can track what the progress of the project is, and you can plan different events in the Confluence itself using this add-on. The other very important plugin is Gliffy. So Gliffy is a web-based diagram editor. So you can access Gliffy directly in your browser, and it allows you to create different diagrams. For example, your flow chart, your network diagram, UML diagrams or the wireframes. So you can either use Gliffy in your browser, and Gliffy is also available as a plugin for Confluence. So you can install Gliffy in a Confluence. You can just install that plugin in Confluence and get the power of Gliffy to create different UML diagrams or flowcharts in the Confluence pages itself. For example, you are preparing some tutorial in Confluence for your team, so you can create a diagram for that tutorial, either a network diagram or flowchart in that page itself using Gliffy plugin. The third thing is Confluence questions. So Using Confluence Questions plugin, it gives your team the platform to ask questions within the team, within the project, and then you can either share those questions and answers within your team or across your organization. And the last one, which is very important, is HipChat. So HipChat is you can say it's a chatting software or chatting plugin available for Confluence, which allows your team to discuss issues over the chat within team. You can share files across the team within the team using the HipChat. So it gives you a flexibility to see to chat, to communicate from the Confluence using this chatting software or chatting plugin in the Confluence. So these are some of the useful plugins which are very commonly used in different organizations whoever is using Confluence as their wiki. So this is some of the basics about Confluence, what Confluence is, and some of the useful plugins. In future sessions, we will understand the details of Confluence, how you can create the content, how you can create good content, good pages, how you can create different diagrams, how you can install team calendar, Gliffy, and Confluence questions in Confluence, and make your team to collaborate and share information effectively using Confluence. Thank you.